Advertising on YouTube can be an effective way to reach a large audience and promote your products, services, or content. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to advertise on YouTube. 1. Create a Google Ads account. If you don't have one already, create a Google Ads account. This will be the platform through which you manage your YouTube ads. 2. Link your YouTube channel. Link your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account. This is important for running ads on YouTube. 3. Choose your ad format. YouTube offers various ad formats, including skippable in-stream ads. These are video ads that play before, during, or after another video. Viewers can skip the ad after a few seconds. Non-skippable in-stream ads. These are short ads that viewers must watch before they can watch the video they selected. Discovery ads. These appear in YouTube search results or on the YouTube homepage as featured videos. Bumper ads. These are short, non-skippable ads that play before or after a video. Overlay ads. These are semi-transparent ads that appear on the lower part of a video. 4. Set your campaign goal. Define your advertising objective. Are you looking to drive website traffic, increase brand awareness, get more video views, or something else? 5. Target your audience. Define your target audience based on factors like demographics, interests, behavior, and more. This helps ensure your ads reach the right people. 6. Set your budget and bidding strategy. Determine how much you are willing to spend on your campaign. You can set a daily or lifetime budget. Choose a bidding strategy that aligns with your goals, such as cost per view, CPV, or cost per click, CPC. 7. Create your ad. Depending on the ad format, you'll need to create a compelling video ad that captures viewers' attention in the first few seconds. Ensure your ad has clear messaging and a strong call to action. 8. Choose placements. Select where you want your ads to appear. You can choose to show your ads on specific videos, channels, or through automatic placements. 9. Monitor and optimize. Keep an eye on your ads' performance using Google Ads reporting tools. Adjust your targeting, budget, and add creatives based on the results you're seeing. 10. Experiment and learn. Don't be afraid to try different approaches and see what resonates best with your audience. Continuously refine your ad strategy based on the insights you gain. 11. Comply with policies. Make sure your ad follows YouTube's advertising policies and guidelines to ensure it's approved and shown to viewers. 12. Measure results. Use YouTube Analytics and Google Ads reporting to measure the effectiveness of your ad campaign. Evaluate metrics like views, engagement, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Remember that successful YouTube advertising requires a combination of compelling content, precise targeting, and ongoing optimization. Take the time to understand your audience and tailor your ads to meet their needs and interests.